Queenslanders are being urged to put their health and well-being first as the clean-up continues. Volunteers are being told to get their tetanus shots up to date, and doctors are concerned about the large number of people coming into contact with asbestos.
Usually it's hard to get a table along Rosalie's restaurant strip. Ever so slowly, restaurateurs and shop owners across Brisbane are making progress. Norris Lewis had managed to keep floodwaters out until some hoons in a speedboat sent a large piece of floating timber crashing through his front door.
The water line came to this level.
He's replaced all his shelving and has disinfected the shop 5 times, but power is his big problem. He says it's ridiculous that electricians came and removed his power box but weren't allowed to switch everything back on. Energex will only allow its own people to do it.
If they could do it, we could be back on now with power, and we would have our 26 staff back in employment. They've got rent commitments, they've got food commitments, they've got other family commitments, and, you know, they're very concerned.
I know people are enormously frustrated, but you do not want a risk of a fire, and we've had anecdotal evidence already of people turning on their electricity and turning on their fridge, and there's been an electrical fire.
The council has inspected 230 flood-affected restaurants, butcheries and bakeries. Only 60 were deemed safe enough to serve food. There are many other health worries, but Queensland health officials wouldn't be interviewed. Locals are being told to watch out for infected cuts and stay right away from asbestos. There are houses like this one right across Queensland. The asbestos removal crew expects to be here 2 or 3 days, and then the house will have to be demolished.
It doesn't take much to expose yourself to asbestos. Some people don't even know when they're working with asbestos.
There are just so many unhealthy environments. This pile of toxic material is sitting on the edge of Oxley Creek, which runs into the Brisbane River. It's enough to make people very sick. Kerry Ritchie, ABC News, Brisbane.